everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with what is now called New Leaf. That's right, I am thinking about changing the name of my channel, and I need your help in my decision. When I first started New Leaf, my thoughts were going toward a new chapter in my life. You know, turning over a new leaf, trying new things. But as my channel has grown little by little, I feel as if the content is not clear under that name. Now, I have come up with several ideas, but I would like to know what you think. After all, this channel is for you. So, what is my channel all about? Well, I am a 64-year-old mother of 4 and grandmother of 8, and they call me Gaga. In my channel, I will show my creativity in many areas, including, but not limited to, cooking and recipes, sewing and other crafting, gardening, organizing, decorating, homemaking skills, homeschooling, travel, doll collecting, and just hanging out with the family in general. So what are your ideas? Like I said, I have come up with some pretty cool ones myself, but I have done a little bit of research, and some of these, well, somebody else came up with them first, so I can't use them. I do have 1 or 2 thoughts that nobody else has come up with. But like I said, I would like to know your thoughts. So let me know down in the comment section below some of your ideas. And I want to thank you so much for your support. And I look forward to the growth of this channel. This is Terry Jeanette with what is now called New Leaf, signing out for now. Bye-bye.